Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today I will show you how to install Siri application on Android and I'll guide you step by step on getting similar voice assistant functionality on your device. So now let's get started. Step 1, please note that you can't install Apple's official Siri on Android because it's exclusive to iOS devices, but don't worry, you can get similar functionality using built-in assistants or third-party apps. To start, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and go to the search bar, then type voice access and press search. This app allows you to control your phone with voice commands just like Siri. Step 2, from the search results, carefully select the correct voice access app. Check that it's developed by Google for safety and then tap the install button. Wait patiently while the app downloads and installs on your device. Step 3, after installation is complete, open the app by tapping the voice access icon on your home screen or app drawer. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the app fully. You may need to grant permissions for accessibility and microphone access, which are required for the app to listen and respond to your commands properly. Make sure the setup finishes completely before moving forward. Otherwise, some commands might not work. Step 4, once the setup is done, you can start using it immediately. Tap the voice access icon, then speak commands like open Messenger or send a message, and the app will respond just like Siri would on an iPhone. You can use it to open apps, control settings, and even navigate your phone hands-free, making your Android experience much easier and smarter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials.